Hello, I have created this kit having a tree of folio kind of folder in mind, but I couldn't resist myself at the end to create extra pages. It took me forever because I kept adding more pages to it, and so it would take forever to make the actual tutorial, but I'll talk it through quickly. First of all, I'll show you what comes in this kit. I'll put a link to the listing in the description. This is one of the flaps that you open. There is a flap here to fold and stick onto kind of the next page. Same here, there is a flap here, so if you fold both, stick back to back, leaving the flaps free so they go inside the next layer, sort of thing. There are pockets. This pocket folds onto the back, and then you use this one to stick. There is a pocket here to go for this side of the booklet folio. More pockets here. I've used these as extra pockets as well. There is a mini bag here, some extra luggage tags and cards. More here. This is probably from everything my favorite piece. And there is a gift bag here just to fold over and stick the edges, leaving the top free. Loads of labels and luggage tags and more matching paper, which what I've done here, I've obviously trimmed around and folded over and stack them together back to back using one of the other flaps kind of to go in between, so then it creates an extra fold. And I've used these papers as well as extra layers. I didn't plan it originally, but it was just nice and fun making. This I've printed them at the beginning separately, but I think it's best to print the big ones back to back, these two pattern paper, so then all you have to do is fold over and create an extra page. There's an envelope with a matching paper. I'm totally in love with this pale distress looking pattern, and I will that's another page as well to fold over, stick back to back with a flap in between, so it creates an extra layer. I think I've printed a couple of more pages because I ran out of pattern paper, so I don't remember exactly which one I've printed twice, but it doesn't matter because it's even if I wanted to make it again, there's just no way. I have no idea like how I came up with this, so it's totally a freestyle one. Sorry, I've got the ink pad open here, I don't want this to dry. And same for the glue, very naughty. So it's very versatile pack. You might want to use it in completely different journal and not having it like folding over, and just have fun adding papers and pockets. So for example, this one here, I just had a bit of leftover, so I stuck it onto the main paper, and this one I had an extra piece here, so I stuck this piece over this, and then left a bit here to fold over here to create an extra pocket, so that's an extra flap. And this pattern paper, the one I was mentioning, the long A4 ones, what I've done, I've created a hole here, and because this was slightly smaller, I've cut it through a tiny bit more to create this extra gap to put this lace, this mesh through, and then the envelopes between. I've used some of the papers as backing for the envelopes, same here, and all the extra bits go inside. There are loads of pockets, so I'm quickly gonna go through this now. So let me remember. Yeah, so this folds like this, like this, like this, and you've got the back here as well. with an extra pocket here. So this is that gift bag. I had some left over here, so I've stuck it on top. This I've stuck, I stapled this one of the labels here. With one of these I just made an extra pocket, and that's an extra paper. And this one of the papers go inside, and I've got these ones here. So I've stuck this bit onto this, and I've just trimmed beforehand a little circle, and this stuck onto this, and this stuck on top. And that's the pocket I mentioned before, and I've used one of the paper as an extra pocket here. So, and I had a leftover of a strip here, so I just glued the edges. So there is a room here. I'm missing something, I'm gonna stick this in here. And then we've got this page as well. And there are the pockets included, some of the pockets are included. And let me get it folded correctly, like this. And I had again more leftovers, so I've stuck this label on top here, and any extra pieces here, I've just stuck this piece on top of the front cover and I glue the edges. So it's literally endless, and I could have carried on forever. Thank you for watching.